General Knowledge MEQ. Questions and Answers. Indian History. For UPSC IAS Test Indian History. 50 Quiz Multiple Choice Questions. Volume 5.
1. Biographies of Jaina Tirthankaras are found in. Answer. Abhagavati Sutra. 2. Which one of the following sultans extended agricultural loans called sondhas to the poor peasants for promoting cultivation? Answer. C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. 3. Which of the following newspapers advocated revolutionary terrorism during the freedom struggle? Answer. D. 1, 2 and 3. 4. What was considered as Varna Sankara? Answer. A illegitimate birth. 5. Which one of the following rebellions began in 1816 and lasted till 1832? Answer. C. Kutch Rebellion. 6. The system of itlaq, a sort of draft enabling a royal soldier to collect his salary from the state revenue officials, was introduced by. Answer. D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 7. The Vijayanagar rulers are remembered for promoting agriculture by. Answer. A building dams, tanks, wells, etc. 8. Of the 4 events mentioned below, which one was chronologically the last to take place? Answer. D. Muslim League joining the interim government. 9. In the committee which prepared the Nehru Report 1928, the Liberal Federation was by. Answer. B. Tej Bahadur Sapru. 10. Which one of the following was the most westerly outpost of the Harappan culture? Answer. B. Sutkagan. 11. Which one of the following places on the western coast of India had an English factory? Answer. C. Kannanur. 12. The bill to cancel the exemption given to the European Community from the jurisdiction of the magistrates and the criminal courts established by the East India Company was proposed in. Answer. D. 1882. 13. The term Nadukal mentioned in the Sangam literature. Answer. A is a reference to a warrior chief. 14. According to the Mahasinghikas, a being is composed of. Answer. A 5 dharmas. 15. Which of the following were important characteristics of early Bhagavatism? 1. Devotion. 2. Action. 3. Knowledge. 4. Social rigidity. 5. Self-sacrifice Tyaga. Answer. A. 1 and 3. 16. During the reign of Binesara there was unrest at. Answer. C. Takshashila. 17. During the Mauryan period Lakshan Adhyaksha was. Answer. D. An official in charge of mint. 18. Which one of following denoted a series of coins? Answer. B. Gadhiya. 19. The author who described the revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence was. Answer. D. V. D. Savarkar. 20. The 3 methods of land revenue assessment Bate, Hit Bate and Long Bate were related to. Answer. Aghalabakshi. 21. The Mughal emperor who issued a firman to the English East India Company in 1717 to trade freely in Bengal was. Answer. C. Farrukh Siyar. 22. Who among the following were among those who caused major uprisings against Murshid Quli Khan? 1. Sita Ram Ray. 2. Uday Narayan. 3. Ghulam Muhammad. 4. Sadat Khan. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Answer. A. 1 and 2. 23. With whom was the Rayatwari settlement made? Answer B. Cultivators. 24. Which agricultural product did not attract the British people? Answer C. Cotton. 25. Which one was not a pioneer industry in India during British rule? Answer B. Iron. 26. Industrial Revolution was started in which country did? Answer A. England. 27. The first census in India was held in? Answer C. 1881. 28. The first national news agency of India was? Answer D. The Associated Press of India. 29. The French East India Company was founded in? Answer B. 1664. 30. Who among the following were the Indian liberals who attended the first session of the Round Table Conference? 1. Tej Bahadur Sapru. 2. V.S. Srimvasa Sati. 3. M.R. Jayakar. 4. C.Y. Chintamani. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Answer D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 31. Rani Gaidalinu, a rebel leader against the British, was from? Answer D. Manipur. 32. In 1751 Aliwardi virtually ceded Orissa to? Answer B. Raghuji Bhonsle. 33. Who among the following had set up an association called Mitra Mela? Answer A. P. Mitra. 34. In the elections of 1937, the Muslim League's electoral performance in the Muslim majority provinces such as Sindh, Punjab and Northwest Frontier had been? Answer D. Very poor. 35. In March 1784, the Treaty of Mangalore was concluded mainly at the insistence of? Answer D. Lord Macartney. 36. On the 3rd of February 1928, the Simon Commission landed in? Answer A. Bombay. 37. Raj Ballabh, Ghasiti Begum, Shaukat were the archfoes of? Answer B. Siraj ud Daulah. 38. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood because of? Answer D. Chauri Chura incident. 39. Modernization of Muslims in India was initiated by? Answer A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. 40. In the late 17th and early 18th centuries, the export of Indian opium to the Indonesian archipelago was dominated by the? Answer C. Dutch East India Company. 41. Consider the following British officers. 1. James Grant. 2. John Shaw. 3. Warren Hastings. 4. Macnaghten. Those well known in connection with the revenue settlement include? Answer B. 1, 2 and 3. 42. In the early decades of Maratha rule, the most popular unit of land revenue measurement was? Answer B. Kathi. 43. Which one of the following correctly describe the function of the Amartya in the Ashtapradhan system? Answer B. The finance minister. 44. The Central Hindu School at Banaras, which served as a nucleus of the Banaras Hindu University, was established by? Answer B. Mrs. Annie Besant. 45. The first Maratha war took place during the Governor Generalship of? Answer: a Warren Hastings. 46. Which one of the following was a new cash crop introduced in India during the 17th century? Answer: B. Red chili. 47. The Mughal fireman of free trade in Bengal was granted to the English in. Answer: A. 1717. 48. Which one of the following was a cause for the decline of the textile industry in Bengal during the 18th century? Answer: C. High tariff rates on export to Britain. 49. Who abolished the dual system of government Bengal? Answer: C. Warren Hastings. 50. The British established their first trading centre at. Answer: Surat.